Hey there, Bravo here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a range ticket for a group. Our favorite customer just rolled in with his family, ready for 30 minutes of range time. Let's get them set up and having fun in no time. Start by heading over to the right side menu and click Range Management. Now let's add our customer. Just search their name, highlight their profile, and click Save. Boom, they're on the range ticket. Since his son is tagging along, hit the minors button and fill in his info too. Now let's add his wife. Navigate to the right side menu and click Add New Customer. Search for and select the customer to add them to that range ticket. They've already signed their waivers, so go ahead and check those boxes to confirm it's done. Now for the fun part, assigning lanes. Jump over to the base section and select the lanes they're gonna use. Next, let's fill up that cart. Our customer wants to rent a firearm for him and his wife, so click Rental List. Select the firearms by clicking the checkboxes and hit Add. Easy, right? They're planning for a 30-minute session and also need eye protection for everyone. Click Fees and Packages, grab the 30-minute duration, then switch tabs to add eye protection. Click Add and let's update the cart to increase the eye protection quantity to 3 since they all need it. Clicking Tender Cart will bring us to the transaction screen where we can click Next to collect the payment. Then we're going to tender out the rest of the party. Once that's done, print their range passes and their time on range has officially begun. If another customer wants to book range time, simply click Start New Range in the upper left corner. That's it! Today, we got our customers set up, added a minor, rented gear, and got them checked in. If you have any questions, check out our Solution Center, ask our AI chat Judy, or give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.